everybody. I hope everybody is doing fine and perfect. Today is the last day of my OB appointment. 아니 다리님은 last final day 차이더라. 아니 after delivery 아니 6 weeks 게 제라 아니 appointment last year라. So 아니 다리님 appointment들에 at 2:30 아니 단다 랑갈라 today with baby 가질라나 니기 OB인데 아니 next 6 weeks 제라 아니 baby 비니 키니셔 baby 땅에 두들라사. So we're gonna go appointment la. 아니 님인데 to be honest, I have the best opinion. 여행인 좀 뭐야? 제마빈이 여 제마레 로빈이 여 로션션이라. 아니 like 야구가 아니 그래 뭐다 아니 receptionist라. 진짜 여행인 좀 뭐라. 아니 언디 당고 아니 그래 gift 친지신이라 분이잖아. 바로 친지도 신이라 당고 저거 아니 온디 냠바 냠바데니 아니 온디 냠바 친지 디테라 아니 다 last day 하우야 단다부터 아니 단다부터 appointment 야유 스무드 조스라냐 아지 다 이제 약 차려 뭐 가래 하시게 되는데 majority appointment 상마 폰네 이제 지도야 but 얘기 가지다 상마인데 아니 파일라 뭐라 그래 in person appointment 지님인데 저거라 아니 언제 지내다 못 배우고요 아니 오비진데 아니 셴바 슈슈라메 갑로 남시 야고 된스도 아니 저행이 아니 저기 제라 제용 okay bye bye see you later 뭐랑 끼우 친이니 되셔 깁텐이 되셔 let's go and see our doctor.
Did you have a baby? I know, it doesn't even look like it, right?
Oh, she is so cute.
I know, right?
Oh, look at that.
Oh my god, she's like so perfect.
Oh my gosh.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, how are you doing, Lola?
Good.
Oh goodness, you don't even look like you had a baby. Oh my gosh. So, how are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm good.
Tired?
Kind of well.
How's your husband doing?
Yeah, he's doing good. He's going to work.
Oh. What? No, you're I'm just joking.
That's the gift for you.
Thank you so much, Tenzin. Oh, no, it's such a
gift for you.
it's thank you. Thank you. It's such a pleasure. No, it's always such a pleasure. If you have another one, though, you need to come back here. Okay?
Sure, of course,
you know?
of course.
No, not that I'm threatening you, but I kind of am here.
I'm telling everybody, like, I have the best opinion.
Oh,
because
thank you.
Everybody has a like open
Yeah.
appointment over the phone.
Yeah.
And I
No,
used to, you know.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks so much, Tenzin. Have
No
a great
problem.
one, okay?
That's a small gift for you.
Oh my
Thank you.
god, you're so sweet. It makes me
you.
so sad when they leave.
I know. I'm gonna go like this to you.
Yes.
And, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
No
you're
problem.
awesome.
Congratulations again.
Yeah.
And you know, if you ever want to
I
pop up.
finally graduated.
Yes, exactly. She did it.
Awesome. I'm gonna get the door for you, okay?
Have a good evening. Bye-bye.
Bye. Tell your husband I just said congratulations to him too, okay?
Sure.
Take
Bye-bye.
care. And if you're
Bye-bye.
ever around, come see us.
Sure.
Okay.
Have a good evening.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Oops. 어슬름데 디 갭기 스웨셔 진유인바 혼디 뜻인데 몰라 총다셔 모기 사이즈를 채니는 근데 몰라 총다셔 so we're gonna return it 혼디 치갈리란 겨고 저기 디 return 디 치라니 조세